Hey, hello hackers, welcome to Hacker Associate. Are you ready to deep dive into black hat hacking, offensive hacking? Then look no further other than Hacker Associate. We are a team of black hat hackers working on next generation technology, exploit development, malware analysis, reverse engineering, software cracking, hardware hacking, Scada systems, drone hacking and many other. I am Harshad, a founder and CEO of Hacker Associate. I have cracked many systems in the past like 50-kilometer Wi-Fi network, drone related hacking, satellite hacking and lot of others. So you can check all this profile and other details from my official website and the LinkedIn. So why Hacker Associate? So as I mentioned, we basically focus on live hacking, live systems rather than focusing on dummy labs. So imagine suppose the live organization, how you're going to pen test, how you're going to perform a red team exercise, and if you are part of blue teamer, how you're going to secure that particular organization, like kind of threat hunting and all this technique. We are practically explaining in a proper detail with complete hands-on. So as I mentioned, we take a live infrastructure and everything will execute on the live infrastructure. So that way you will understand the things in a proper manner. Another important thing, the specialty, if you take a training from our end, we start everything from scratch. So you can check out all our courses from our official website hackersa.com, and we are providing more than 200 plus cyber security certification. You can please check out this particular course on our official website. And as I mentioned, we basically focus on scenarios. Example, let's say there are 100 systems up and running, and out of these 5 systems infected by malware or ransomware. In that particular case, how you're going to investigate. This is one scenario. So likewise, we will create a scenario, a live, realistic scenario, and exactly we're executing on the live infrastructure, how you're going to handle this particular task if you're working in organization. So most of the thing, like example, let's say if we enroll for our application, we basically go live and we hack our application. Same way like cloud penetration testing, hardware, we take a live hardware device and we'll see how to perform assessment on the live hardware devices and many others. So if you need a demo kind of thing, you can freely register on our website. Also, you can follow my community. We have a very large network, LinkedIn, 105k plus people have joined our community. We have a Twitter and we have many other account. You can please follow it, like Discord. And Discord, I always upload black hat related stuff, so you can freely watch our video and learn freely properly. And if you have any doubt, feel free to contact us. That's all about this particular thing, and I'll see you in my training program. Thank you. Have a great day.